In the last couple of videos we've shown you how we sailed across from Cyprus to mainland Turkey to a wonderful island that we sat behind called Tisan. Early the next day we started the long journey down the Turkish coast and across the Bay of Antalya to Finike, where we booked in to Turkey. That cost us €200. We got our transit logs and our blue cards, and then us and Eternite stayed in Finike for 2 nights. We met up with some friends, went to the local market, and then we moved down the coast again to Kekover, which is one of our favourite spots. This is that journey.
Changed. I never thought I could settle down, but that has changed now. Yeah, baby, you can turn the rain into gold. So this is what it means to fall in love. I like it.
Saturday morning, of course, means the market. So you can't go back to Finike without going to the market. Looks like watermelons are in season. It's very quiet though, it's quiet all round. I want some cherries. Yeah. They look a bit red, not maroon enough. Lovely lettuce. All the produce at this market is grown locally, within 2 or 3 miles. It's fantastically fresh and the prices are outstandingly good. We always stock up here. Shrooms there. Olive oil. Yeah. That corn at this time of the year. In the spring. They can grow it over the winter here. Amazing. Tomatoes, look. Brown mushrooms. Lots of cherries. I do like the cherries. They're lovely. I just bought a kilo of cherries for 70 Turkish lira. That's It's 45 lira to the pound at the moment. So that was, and I'll eat those. I love them. Good for you, full of vitamin C. Beautiful. Just love this market. You could sit down and eat fruit and veg all day. You could even turn into a vegan.
I would. Well, as long as I didn't have to give up meat.
Yeah. I could be kind of bacon vegan. I just bought some apricots here, lovely and fresh. This young man. Now we're going to have a melon. Beautiful. Fresh melon. That's 15 Turkish lira. Remember, there's 45 to a pound. With lovely melons, look. Teşekkürler.
This side, have we?
Yeah.
Get some cheese or not?
I don't know.
Should we go to the butcher's first then?
Yeah, let's go to the butcher's. And then, time to fill up with diesel and head for Kekover, where we soon put some of that fruit and veg and meat to good use.
Another wasted night, but not anymore, no. Baby.
When I was his age, I used to be able to do that.
That's his boat.
Oh, right.
He's lying outside washing the window.
You notice I was...
His name is Emma.
So we're at the Kekover restaurant. Flotilla's all sat down, having a beer. Been a productive day. We've Derek the drone died. I'll tell you more about that in a minute.
Got much more to do.
We've managed to order a new one and get one in, thanks to our Patreons. And
There's a couple of planned ones.
you've got a smile, Patreon. You've just paid out for a new drone. And David. And Joe's a Patreon.
We're not sure whether we're...
So
When will you work?
we put the Patreon money aside every month, and it pays for new equipment. The next thing to be bought is a new one of these, because the GoPro keeps going squiffy.
One of those for
You bought? Well, yeah, you only bought one 3 years ago. No, batteries, GoPro batteries.
How was it?
Because all the batteries were, it eats batteries. I'm sure they put something in the software that makes them eat batteries. But this is a 7, and I think the 7's the best of all the GoPros. But anyway, so yeah, while all this activity is going on,
It's all going on behind
it's
you.
all going on behind me. No, nobody's watching me, Peter. They're all watching what's going on behind. Let's have a look. While we were eating and drinking, they saw us filming and asked about the YouTube channel, and then said, yeah, well, if you want a new drone, have it delivered here. So on one of the posts at the Kekover restaurant, sometimes called Kekover Fish Restaurant, I'll show you here, and it's just down from Hassan's. There you go, there's the phone number. Very popular. Lovely food. So show them the sticker, tell them you're a subscriber, and you'll be well looked after. Smile. Where are we?
In a bay in Kekover, near the sarcophagi.
Sarcophaguses.
Sarcophagi.
Is it like mongooses? They're mongai. But they're sarcophagus. It's a sarcophagus and there's more than one.
Yes.
There we go. So you can just see the minaret of the mosque and the restaurants, and we're just going to go and have a look because that's us there, look, anchored there. The water's not very clean, it's a bit mucky. We're just going to go and have a look at the dead people's homes. Ooh. And it's low tide as well.
There used to be, somewhere along this line, a natural, no, not a natural harbour, a built harbour that they used, according to Wiki.
Steps carved into the rocks there.
Oh, yeah.
Grab the other camera.
Oh, a couple of them have been moved.
Yeah, that one's had the lid taken off it, and the lid's all carved, look, and there's an inscription on the end. See if I can zoom in.
Don't go any further forward, there's a key box there. Right beside of me.
That's got some kind of plaster or something on it as well, look.
Imagine that's modern day though.
Oh, nice. Yeah, see the steps are cut there, and that is like a plaster on the walls. It's definitely been rendered onto there. I'll try and hold this camera a bit better. There's definitely had, yeah, the steps cut there. It's definitely been man-made, definitely. Now if Derek the drone wasn't dead, we'd be able to get the drone up there. Have a flyover. Oh, they don't know about Derek the drone, do they?
Derek the drone has died.
He died on the operating table. Well, first his gimbal stopped working. Well, no, first we bought new batteries. Well, Patreons paid for new batteries. It was £110. Derek had been performing well, so we invested the money, and then we got back here. The batteries were supposed to be charged. We thought they were, and I plugged them in, and it said 75%. And I thought that'll be enough for a 10-minute flight. At which point I took off, and the batteries immediately went to 2%. And sorry, that's the others on the radio. Yeah, at which point they went to 2%, and I had to do an emergency landing in the bottom of the dinghy. And I think I hit the gimbal camera on something in the bottom of the dinghy, and he didn't like it. And I took him apart, and it was a ribbon cable that was broke, and you can get the ribbon cable, but of course they've glued it all in, so.
I think it's an old pontoon that's broken away.
Yeah. Floating concrete, yeah.
It's probably just prevailing winds dumped it there. It's very rocky over there.
Yeah, I'm going to come out because I can see rocks under the water. This is a part of Kekover that people don't normally see, do they?
No, I think it is shallower up here. which is why a lot of the yachts don't come up.
Yeah, the tourists don't come down this end. And that's
There's not much here, is there? I mean,
a working boatyard. I
Yeah.
suppose there's no attraction for anyone.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky.
lots and lots of restaurants.
Swimming over there.
San Marino. There must be deep water because that's quite a large yacht.
More of our travels next week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. It really helps us out, guys, and it costs you nothing. Sail safe.